Hello, I'm Larissa with Pikes Peak Library District, and today we'll be making this natural deep conditioner for your hair. The recipe for which can be found in the book Botanical Beauty by Aubrey Andrus, and that book can be found at the library. So getting started, the ingredients called for in the recipe are coconut oil, jojoba oil, and shea butter, which can all be a little expensive. So I'll put in the description below some suggestions for ingredients you could purchase that might be a little cheaper that would still get the same job done. Also, you would need a microwavable container of some sort and some measuring spoons. So let's go ahead and get started with this. The first ingredient you're going to add is your shea butter. So at room temperature, shea butter is pretty solid. It's got some chunks in it. So after you've added it to your container, you're actually going to microwave that for about 30 seconds until it's clear and you can stir it. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. The recipe actually calls for 4 tablespoons of the shea butter. But to save on the ingredients, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to have the recipe. So I'm just going to do a quick 2 tablespoons of shea butter. And then, like I said, I'm going to go pop this in the microwave 30-second intervals until I can stir it up and it's liquid. And then I'll come right back. So you go do the same if you're following along at home. Join me right back here. Alright, I have got my shea butter melted to a nice liquid consistency. The next step is to add your coconut oil, which is also solid at room temperature. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and I've microwaved this, just like with the shea butter, about 30-second intervals until it's liquid. It doesn't take very long. Just be careful when you're grabbing these containers out of the microwave. So like I said, I halved the shea butter. The shea butter in the recipe is supposed to be 4 tablespoons. I've put in 2. Coconut oil recipe calls for 6, so I'm putting in 3. So I'm going to go ahead and combine these 2. That is the next step here. And then I'm just going to give these 2 a stir for about a solid minute until they're well combined. So to spare you watching me stir for a solid minute, I'm going to go ahead and cut it here. You go ahead and stir your ingredients until they're well combined and then join me back here. Alright, my coconut oil and my shea butter are now well combined, very liquid. So on to our very last step. Already, it's so simple. I'm going to be adding my jojoba oil. So recipe called for 2 teaspoons of jojoba oil, and since I'm having everything else, I'll be having this as well. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil to my mixture here. And then I'm going to stir that up for just a real quick second here. And then the very last step is I'm going to actually let this refrigerate overnight before using it, and then it's going to be a really nice, lush and natural deep conditioner. So I'm going to go ahead and let that refrigerate. I will show you the final product once it has set. And there it is. After letting my mixture set, it has turned into this really nice, smooth lotion texture that you can rub into your hair and leave for about 30 minutes to get some nice deep conditioning going. And having just used my hands to make this, I can say that it has made them incredibly soft too. So if you want to use it as a lotion, I think that's probably super appropriate. Either way, Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you back next time on PPLD TV, see what else we've got in store. Thank you so much. Bye.